Hey, 5th grade, Mr. May here. Today we are dividing 252 divided by 12. I'm going to solve this problem using a ratio table and then using the standard algorithm. So here we go. I'm going to sketch out my ratio table, and I know that if I had one group of 12, there would be 12 here. Now my goal is to get this bottom row to 252. I know that I can, or rather that I love to multiply by 10. So I'm going to multiply by 10 top and bottom. That'd be 10, and down below would be 120 because 12 times 10 is 120. Now again, my goal is to get to 252. And I know so far I'm about halfway there. I am going to multiply by 2. And I'm going to do that to the top and bottom. 10 times 2 is 20. 120 times 2 would be 240. Now right here, I know that I'm really close to my goal of 252. In fact, I think I just need to add one group of 12 to my 240, and I'll be there. So I am going to add one. And if I add one group, that'd be adding 12. That would give me 21, because 20 plus 1 is 21. 240 plus 12 is 252. And that is our goal that we're after. And therefore, 252 divided by 12 is equal to 21. Now I'm going to solve this problem using the standard division algorithm here. So let's set this up. 12 divided by 252. Now, I know that 12 times 10 is going to be 120. When I multiply that and find my product, I place my product here and I subtract and find the difference. So 2 minus 0 is 2, 5 minus 2 is 3, and 2 minus 1 is 1. I'm left with 132. And I'm going to think about, or rather, I'm going to multiply 12 by 10 again, and that would be 120. I'm going to subtract, and that would give me a difference of 12. So now I know that if I multiply 12 by 1, that would be 12. And I'll put my 1 up here. And 12 minus 12 is 0. I don't have a remainder. And when I add up my quotient, I end up with 21, which matches what we found using our ratio table.